presenting the Jeep 2011 Wrangler Sport. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: 6M7 order code, 3.8 LSMPI V6 engine, STD, black interior cloth seats, 3.73 axle ratio, anti-spin rear differential, 24S customer preferred order selection package included, 3.8 L V6 engine 4-speed auto trans 17 inches x 7.5 aluminum wheels P255/75 R17 on off-road OWL tires, air-conditioned leather-wrapped steering wheel, chrome leather-wrapped shift knob, 4-speed automatic transmission included, 3.73 axle tip start transmission, skid plate hill descent control, mango tango pearl and leather-wrapped steering wheel. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car this month,